what to expect as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Well, like I just said, we start off with some dense fog in the morning and a few clouds as we work throughout the rest of the afternoon. Just a couple of showers. We're not going to see a ton of rain tomorrow. There's really not a whole lot on the radar out there right now, and there's a lot of dry air in place. Even though our dew points have come up today, it's still relatively dry in the mid-levels, so there's just not a whole lot of moisture to work with. So we're going to continue to see the rain chances remain pretty low. As we go throughout the day on Thursday, there will be a few clouds, I should say Friday. There will be a few clouds out there, but periods of sunshine for the afternoon. Overall, a nice day, and we continue that into the weekend. And you're going to want to get out and enjoy it because we got some big changes on the way. For the day tomorrow, our surface map looking like showers spread across this old frontal boundary, and this is a weak frontal boundary. Just enough lift here to create some showers, and I would say that we're probably going to see less than 1/10 of an inch of rain tomorrow, so not a washout by any means, but the clouds will be around. It'll be warm and it'll be a little more humid than it was today. This moves out by the afternoon into evening, and you see pleasant dry air behind that. That moves in for the next couple of days. So as we go into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're back to the beautiful weather. Looking at our pattern as we start out December, we're going to see this warm pattern continuing, at least for the beginning part of December, the 3rd through the 5th, and mild air out in front of this big dip in the jet stream and a big low pressure system likely to develop in between the two air masses here. This is going to help flip the script as far as our pattern goes, where cold air is going to be pulled down, and there's some strong signals for this. So we could not be looking at just one shot of cold air, but we could be looking at several shots of cold air, and this could be significant cold air as we head into the middle part of December. You see the big change here as we go into the 7th through 13th. This could actually last into the 15th with another reinforcing shot of cold air. But beside the colder air, we're also looking at a much more active jet stream. This big dip across our area will allow for storms to develop near the Gulf Coast and then move up the East Coast. This is a typical pattern where we set up where the Northeast gets in on snow. But the good news about that is that cold fronts will be draped across the region rather routinely, which means moisture will return back to the forecast as well as some colder air. So big changes on the way, and most of it is in the way of an active weather pattern. Our forecast lows out there tonight around 57 and 60% chance of rain, dealing with fog late. As we go through the highs tomorrow, 60% chance of rain early. We're getting up to 72 once again. And our extended forecast, look at that 60% chance of rain tomorrow, 68 on Friday, back up into the 70s, almost near 80 on Monday. But look at the forecast high next Wednesday, only 59 degrees as we enter a more active and colder weather pattern.